we need to solve for x. So first of all, you know that normally you are given factors there, they're equal to -10. So please don't be tempted and say you want to solve for x by equating the factor equals to -10. The rule doesn't apply. So what we need to do, we have to first multiply out this bracket here, the factors here. Multiply out the factors, we'll have x squared. Then the middle term we're going to have 8x, isn't it? So it's 3x and then 5x, which is going to be 8x. The last term will be 3 times 5, which is 15. Take 10 to the other side, will be positive 10. Then we have equals to 0. So we regroup them in that way. So we can say x squared plus 8x. And therefore, this is 25. 25 equals 2. So let's not waste time and go to figuring out the factors, because we know 5 plus 5 is 10. Subtracting them is 0, 1, and 25. We can't get them in term, but using quadratic formula, we have negative 8 plus or minus into 8 squared minus 4 into 1, 25. Close bracket, we have 2 into 1, right? Okay, we have triple brackets there. So now we can simplify further. X is equals to -8 plus or minus. So what is inside the square root? What is the value? -76 or -36. Thank you, -36. Therefore, we can state that -8 plus or minus. So we know that square root of -1 is j. Square root of 36 is 36. Therefore, divided by 2. The answer will be equals to -8 divided by 2. We have -4. Plus or minus, we divide 6 by 2 is 3. J. Therefore, that is the answer in rectangular form. So that is the answer in rectangular form.